Hello again, everyone. So, this week we are going to move on and finish off Chapter 2 here with sections 2.3 and 2.4. We're in section 2.3, we're taking the idea of sets and developing it further to talk about relationships between sets using Venn diagrams and then being able to talk about the set operations, where first we get the general sense of what a Venn diagram is and how it can present different patterns within sets. And then we're going to talk about how we can stick sets together and bring them apart using things like intersections, unions, complements, and then seeing what happens in special cases with those sorts of things in terms of finite sets. And then in 2.4, we're going to take all of these ideas that we built up over chapter 2 and add in another layer of complexity by talking about them with three sets. So we're going to be seeing Venn diagrams with three sets and the different operations with three sets, as well as how we can prove different rules about sets. In particular, we're going to look at what is called De Morgan's law or De Morgan's rules, depending on exactly who says them and when, but that's something we're going to be getting into here as well. So for this week, we are finishing off with this stuff, so I'm going to give you guys some practice on another worksheet. Then we will have all of the MyLab for chapters 1 and 2 due next Wednesday because we have our first exam next week. So we're finishing this stuff off here. That's what we've got for the week after. And then beyond that, we have a pre-assessment where, because next week is our first exam, the pre-assessment is going to ask you questions about preparation, essentially, so that if I feel I need to do some extra work, if I need to make some extra videos, if I know to expect certain things from the office hours for that matter, that's how you're going to let me know what you need, what you may want less of, whatever may require some of my attention as we're getting ready towards that first exam. That's what that will be there for. Anyway, here's all the stuff that we have. So let's get in here and get to work on our last couple sections of chapter 2.